Home HVAC Services is a trusted commercial air conditioning contractor in West Chester, Pennsylvania, providing reliable cooling solutions for businesses of all sizes. Our experienced technicians specialize in commercial AC installation, repair, replacement, and preventative maintenance to keep your building comfortable and energy efficient year-round. If you have any questions, contact our commercial air conditioning contractor team. Are you looking for a commercial air conditioning contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Home HVAC Services. What does a commercial air conditioning contractor do? A commercial air conditioning contractor installs, repairs, maintains, and replaces HVAC cooling systems for commercial properties such as offices, restaurants, retail stores, warehouses, and industrial buildings. They ensure businesses maintain comfortable indoor temperatures and efficient system performance. Why is preventative maintenance important for commercial HVAC systems? Preventative maintenance helps identify small issues before they become expensive repairs, improves system efficiency, reduces unexpected breakdowns, and helps maintain consistent indoor comfort for employees and customers. What is your service area for the West Chester, Pennsylvania service office? Our commercial air conditioning contractors have served West Chester, Chester Springs, Lionville, Eagleview, Eagle, Exton, Ackworth, Downingtown, Fisherville, Thorndale, Woodward's Corner, Marshallton, Windon, Malvern Hunt, Yellow Springs, Westtown Acres, Westtown Park, Allegiance, Ashwell, Pennsylvania. Where is your West Chester, Pennsylvania office located? We are located at 831 West Chester Pike, West Chester, Pennsylvania 19382. Our phone number is 484-573-7551. Visit our website, www.homehvacservices.com.